Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain about data flow scheduling. So data flow scheduling is a very simple task. So let's click on any of the data flow. Okay, so click on edit ETL. So in the setting option we have a schedule. Okay, so first we have to choose see, let's click on first add trigger. Okay, so we have a types of trigger when dataset update or on a schedule. So when we click on dataset update, what will happen? We have to choose input dataset. So in my example I have one input, so let's assume if we have multiple input, so we have an option to select all the inputs. Okay, so what will happen whenever the input data set will update, this data flow will execute. Okay, so when I click input data set and apply, so whenever my input data sets update, this data flow will execute. Okay, another option is on a schedule. So on a schedule we have multiple options. First is once a day, means one time in a day. So either we can select we have an option to change the time. We can select any of the time manually. We can give the values, then we can give whether am or pm, like that, once a day, then every day. Okay, or a specific day of week, once, like if I select first Monday, Tuesday, anything we can select. Okay, Wednesday, like that. So in this Wednesday it will schedule on 1:19 p.m. like that. Okay, then next option is a specific day of the month. So when I go with the specific day of the month and if I select 2, so what will happen on 2 every month, second date, data set will execute at 1:19 p.m. So this is another options. Third is here either every month or a specific month. So when I click on a specific month, I have an option to choose a month, like what are the month we want to take as a schedule. Okay, so I'm excluding September, October, November. So what will happen, except September, October or November, every month on second date or data set will execute at 1:19 p.m. every month except this 3 month, September, October, November, second date only, because I am choosing specific days of the month. Once a day means 1:19 p.m. it will execute. Okay, so now let's look for the more than once a day. So instead of one time, I mean 1:19 p.m., I have an option to change this, like more every 1 hour 19 minutes. So what will happen, data set will execute on every 1 hour 19 minutes. Okay, now it's executed, just assume. So after 1 hour 19 minutes again it will execute, then again after 1 hour 19 minutes it will execute, like that. So and the schedule will be every month except this 3 month, on second date every 1 hour 19 minutes it will execute. Okay, so let's select all the month. Okay, instead of a specific day of month we can go with specific we can go with every day, means all month, every day, every 1 hour 19 minute data set will execute. So we have an option to select active hour also. Active hour, because sometime in many business scenario business does not run 24 into 7. So maybe its time is 6 a.m to 6 p.m, 7 a.m to 7 p.m. So in that case we have an option to select the active hour. We can change this active hour, like that. Okay, so this is all about data flow scheduling in Domo. And I took the example from ETL, but the similar, or I can say same thing, we have to use in SQL transformation also. Thank you.